Hello. In this video, we're going to go over how to solve a differential equation using separation of variables. So we're going to use separable equations. The first thing we're going to do is make sure dy and the y's are on one side and dx and all the x's are on the other side. So the first thing I do is I have dy alone on the, I mean, not alone, but with dy dx, but I have dy on the left. So I'm going to put my y's on the left. I have sine of x on the right, so it'll be easier if I move dx to the right. This is because I can multiply both sides by the denominator of the left, or the dx. That will cancel the dx's on the left side, and that's just going to let me rewrite this as sine x dx on the right side. Now, we don't have any other y's, so there's nothing else to move. All I need to do now is integrate both sides. So we're going to put our antiderivative or integration sign down in front of both of those pieces. So the first thing we're going to do is we see the integral of dy is just going to be y. Very, very simple. The integral of sine of x is going to be negative cosine of x. We know that from just trig integration. And the derivative of cosine of x is negative sine of x, so we need to take that into consideration. We'll also make sure we write down our plus c. So that's the first step. We got through our integration, we have our plus c. The next thing is this particular point is going to solve for our c. So this is an xy point. What that means is I can plug that in for x and y. So y is 1/2 negative cosine of pi over 3 plus c. Well, the cosine of pi over 3, or 60 degrees, is just 1/2. We have a negative in front, so we have to keep that into consideration. And all we need to do is now simple algebra and add the 1/2 to the other side. We see 1/2 plus 1 is equal to c. That's all we have to do, and we're done. The next thing we have to do is just rewrite the final equation. Y equals negative cosine of x plus 1 instead of c. And that's it. We have now solved this equation using separable equations and used the point to find the particular solution. I will make another video for a more complicated one that involves logarithms and exponentials. Other than that, if you have specific questions, please just comment or send me an email. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.